My hike at Long Branch was not horrible, but it wasn't exactly what I would call successful. I lost the trail. It's not well marked at all. The blazes I've seen, not including the ones that were on Orange Post, which are only at the trailheads, I've seen one blaze. And I'm not comfortable enough in my skills to try walking trails that are not blazed well. So I followed this. You see it? It's like a vehicle tracker. I don't know what you want to call it. Basically, as far as it went into the woods, probably a mile and a half, maybe 2 into the woods, until it basically stopped. It looked like it might have kept going, and I walked off of it for a little bit. But like I said, my hiking skills are not, the best, or navigation skills, should I say. Yeah. So I've encountered lots and lots of deer. A couple of them scared the bejesus out of me. They'd be lying in the tall grass right along the trail, and they wouldn't see me till I walked up to them, and I wouldn't see them till, sorry, my hair is in my face, till I walked up and they'd jump out and run away, scare me, scare them. How has it been being by myself? Nice. It's been really nice. Quiet. I did play some music for a little while, but I do have been looking behind me a lot, just to, because I'm my father's child, that's why. I think, let's see, what time is it? 9:50. I think I'm going to go to Mark Twain Lake and hike, backpack, whatever, the familiar trails there. I know those trails well. I've hiked them a few times. I should have enough time. And let's see, I've got 11,700 steps. Excuse me. So, there you go. 9 pounds to lose before school starts. I've got to be at that 100 mark. Okay. I'm at Mark Twain Lake now. Let's see if you can see kind of see it from there. I was closer a second ago. And I walked in a big circle. How the hell did I do that? Hold on. Okay, somehow I missed the trailhead. I just walked in a big loop. So going back around to try and find the trailhead. Dummy me left my trekking poles in the van because I didn't use them on the first trail. I forgot the Mark Twain. It's very hilly, and I could use them right now. Okay. The good thing about rewalking the same trail over again is I'm not running into tons of spider webs this time. Now let's see if I can find the right trail. Seriously, I walked right past it. Let's see if I can get in the shot. To let me know that the blue trail goes this way. Yellow trail goes this way. I walked right past it. I even stopped and looked at it. So, here we go. Fork in the road. I really like Mark Twain trails. They're so well maintained, marked. which way to go. Straight ahead it is. Seriously. Oh! Note to self. Make sure you bring trekking poles next time. I don't know why I just left them in the van. This is awesome though. Did I mention I was an idiot for leaving my trekking poles in the van? An idiot. Let's see. I gotta go down, then up, and then around. I'm an idiot. Total idiot. Scenery is beautiful, by the way. And I'm very sweaty. That's good. I'm getting my workout. So I'm not alone like I thought I was. There is a church group, I think. I'm about 10 people. A couple 100 yards behind me. I was singing and talking to myself and taking selfies and looking all kinds of silly before I realized somebody was behind me and could probably hear me and see me. Whew. I'm getting my workout. I think I'm close to this being done. I can see the road from here, so having so much fun. I am such an anti-social person. I'm stopping to eat lunch so they can get ahead of me. And I don't have to catch up with them. Or I don't have to worry about them catching up with me. I just want alone time. Lunchtime. So I stopped and ate lunch. First because I was hungry. Second, it gave the other hikers a second to get ahead of me. But now I'm wondering if I should have sat down to eat, because now my hip hurts. Now that I actually had time to rest. My hip hurts. And I've got 50 minutes to finish. I don't think that's going to happen. We'll see. I'm over halfway done. So I'm trying to book it as fast as I can. Oh, having fun. Okay, things are starting to look a little familiar. So I'm guessing I'm getting close to the intersection. I'm pooped. I'm ready for this to be over. My hip is killing me. Still had fun. Do it again in a heartbeat. I'm ready for this to be over with though. Oh, seriously. My hip is hurting me. And I have got to spend the money and get some good boots. I should have just worn my tennis shoes because they would not be hurting my feet right now. And there, awesome, is the intersection. Awesome. Means I'm right around the corner from where the car is. Let's see if I can get that right there. And that right there is the Rocka place to let me know which way I should go. That way. The rock right there. There. That's the Rocka place. To make sure I know that I need to go back that way. Oh, I seriously needed this. I know I'm an introvert. I like being around people. I just like my time to myself too. And with everything going on at the house, this is exactly what I needed. A whole day to myself to do exactly what I wanted. No kids to take care of. Oh, my hip really does hurt. No doctor's appointments. Nothing. Just me in the wilderness. Hot and sweaty. And achy. But loving it. Loving it all. One day, I will hike the Appalachian Trail. at least some of it. I really want to do at least some of it. Glorious, wonderful air conditioning. I pooped. That was a lot of fun. My hips killing me, my feet are killing me, and I'm tired. Let's see, I did, according to my Fitbit, 2,332 steps. 10.24 miles today. Yes. I think I'll beat that for a long time. So, well, it's light. Got a little tan. Red face, sweaty. I've got about an hour or so to go pick up the boys. I think I'm just going to sit here and rest for a minute. I enjoyed myself. Except for that last half hour, maybe. Sorry, I keep thinking that's a tick. I did a tick check. I found a few of them. I can't. Somebody's got to check my back when I get home.